Hello and welcome everybody from Langkawi Island, from Malaysia. In the end of the last vlog I promised you that in the next episode I will present how I found the Seven Wells waterfall, the Telaga Tujuh Waterfall. It was kind of adventurous because I lost the way. I asked some local girl where is the hiking trail to the waterfall, and she showed me a wrong path, and also the GPS confirmed this idea, so I landed in the jungle. So yeah, this vlog will be about this. Let's the adventure trip begin. Finally I found the trail to the Telaga Tujuh, to the Seven Wells waterfall. It was not so easy, and well, I'm on this forest hiking trail now. Yeah, it's a little bit dangerous that yeah, I'm just walking here alone in Malaysia in a jungle. Well, it's not a jungle, it's just a forest, but if I look left, look right, then it's, yeah, maybe we can call it a jungle. Let's see where this road will lead us. I hope it will be fine and nothing bad will happen. So that's it, this is the end of the road. Still 500 meters missing, and these two huge eggs, actually three huge eggs, but one is already broken, stands on my way, and I don't know if I should continue my way or not, because I wear slippers and I need to go through this, so I don't know, it's little bit tricky. Something is constructed here, but GPS shows that it's only 500 meters far from here. I'm pretty sure I will regret this trip. It's absolutely unwalkable stuff. I heard that the hiking trails are not well maintained, but I didn't think about this. And I'm also not aware of which animals live here, so that's a crazy idea. I hope I will not regret it too much. So this is the end. I cannot go any further. It's absolutely crazy jungle from here. This cable actually shows the way and is the same which Google Maps shows to the waterfall, but well, when I said the path is not really maintained, then okay, from until now it's kind of walkable. Of course it was a little bit steep, but cannot go any further. I think you need a machete for this or something in order to climb. So yeah, let's turn back and give up, because this would be much more crazy. But I'm proud of myself that I could make it until here. Well, that's it. Finally I could find the right path to Telaga Tujuh, to the waterfall. Well, absolutely crazy. I think I took the too adventurous hiking trail, which is not maintained and doesn't even exist, only on the map, and only this local girl who gave me the wrong hint about it, but I don't blame her, it's okay. So yeah, let's get started, and I hope that this time we'll find the waterfall. This is a very useful information. Now we are in the dry season It's April 2023 and probably will not see much water, but if we come here in the wet season, then we cannot do anything else. So yeah, from the perspective of watching the waterfall, it's better in the wet season, but not suitable for beach and swimming and other activities. Well, this is a more cultured trail as before, more convenient. 70% humidity, and also the hiking trail in the jungle before consumed all my energy, but still keep going. We can do this. It's a little bit tough day, but I hope it will be worth in the end. Amazing. There we are. Wow. So this is part of the Seven Wells waterfall, Telaga Tujuh. Absolutely amazing view, and here we can also have a bridge which is like a viewpoint. So yeah, Telaga Tujuh is, according to a legend, home of fairies. So if you swim or drink from the water, then you will be blessed and you will be healthy. And why it is called the Seven Wells waterfall, which is in Malay language Telaga Tujuh? Because it forms 7 natural pools in which the tourists love to swim. These natural pools you can imagine like this. And from these natural pools we can find the 7 here. This is the most accessible. Well, for me it was not very easy to get up here, and well, if a GPS and the other girl wouldn't lead me to a wrong path, I would find it more easier, but well, that wouldn't be so adventurous. So each way leads to Rome. It's now translated to each way leads to the Seven Wells waterfall. So yeah, I think I enjoyed this adventurous trip in the jungle, even though it was a little bit reckless from me. Don't try to repeat it. These rock formations are also absolutely splendid, and over there you can see the cable car. So when we were there in the air, in the cable car, then we could see these rock formations, as I showed it in the vlog. So no, it's not much water because it's a dry season, but still pretty nice. And the view to the mountains is also absolutely amazing. Behind it's the Andaman Sea. Yeah, nice trip. So this was the vlog about the main waterfall of Langkawi, Telaga Tujuh. I hope that you enjoyed it, and if that's so, please subscribe to my channel if you didn't do it yet. It's very important to push on the bell icon, because this is how you get notified about the new contents. Have a nice day and goodbye.